My name is Meghan Murphy. I'm a DO. I am an OBGYN. I work at Southwestern Medical Clinic in Niles. And this is Joseph. He's my son. He's 14 months old. I work Monday through Thursday at the clinic, and Fridays I have with him. So I grew up in New Jersey, New York, moved to Florida, and then Michigan. My parents lived in Okemos, Michigan most recently, and that's where I went to high school. I decided to go back out east for college and then came back to Michigan for med school and settled in Niles. My husband and I enjoy being outside. Our son Joseph loves to be outside. The place that we got here has a pool, and he loves to be in the pool in the summertime. The nice thing about my colleagues and myself is that we kind of cover all of the different aspects of gynecology. All of us do obstetrics, but each of us have kind of picked areas of gynecology that we kind of like or do a little bit more of. Excellent patient care to me starts with listening. I think you have to have the not only the 5 minutes but the 50 minutes if it's needed to just listen, because most patients will tell you what's going on if you listen long enough. And then I think you have to have the motivation to say, I'm going to figure out what's wrong, and give them the confidence that you know what you can do to help them. The advice I would give to a first-time mom who's looking for an OBGYN is look for someone that you're comfortable with. Initially, you have to be comfortable with the office. You're going to have an appointment every 4 weeks, then every 2 weeks, and then every week. You have to feel comfortable with the staff. And the first appointment you have is a nurse visit. If you want to switch somewhere, because you haven't had your doctor visit, it's just as much the staff, which is what I love about our office. They do a really good job taking care of the OB patients and making them feel comfortable, and that no question is absurd. It's about how you experience it and what we can do to help you. One of my favorite moments about my job is when you deliver a baby and pass it up to mom's abdomen. There's nothing like the look on that person's face when they get to embrace that little one that they've been working on or worrying about and preparing for that long. So that's probably one of my favorite parts.